Do you really need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars every single month to have a successful launch of a product or service? Actually, you don't. You can even run campaigns for as little as $1 a day. Hi, I'm Leanna, and I'm a paid media buyer. That means that I buy ads to help people sell their products and services. And it's a myth that you have to always spend a ton of money in order to have a successful launch. In fact, if you are very intentional with your marketing and your ads, you don't have to break the bank. The secret, it's something called retargeting. And this works really well if you have a very strong, organic, engaged audience on social media like YouTube or Facebook. Facebook would be amazing. If you have Facebook and Instagram, very high engagement, very big platform that you've grown organically, paid ads can really make a big difference, especially remarketing. So what you want to do is, in Facebook, you want to take your custom audiences and create an audience of people who have engaged with your Facebook page and with your Instagram page, and you can then put an ad in front of those people. You can even put an ad in front of people who have watched specific videos that you have posted on Facebook and Instagram. So imagine creating almost like a video series. You can actually set that all up all through retargeting. And because you're not trying to go after a very cold audience, those people are going to be more likely to sign up, more likely to buy, which means that you don't have to spend as much money on your ads. It's like a win-win overall. So you can actually learn a lot more about retargeting and have 7 recipes that you can just copy and set them up and forget about them in this book called Retargeting Recipes by Justin Brooke. And it's available free right now. So Justin spent over $10 million in ads online. And from that, he extracted the top 7 most proven, most reliable, what he calls set it and forget it campaigns. All you have to do is follow the recipes in this book. I'll show you what one of the recipes looks like. Right here, it's just like one recipe on each page. Very easy to follow step by step. He also goes through what type of images to create, like how to set up your pixels. All of that is covered in this book for you. So all you have to do is pick it up because it's free right now. We want to help as much people as possible. Just follow the link below and all the instructions will be there. Also, I've created myself $500 in bonuses for you if you pick up the book with the link below. These are going to help you power up your retargeting campaigns and will help you start getting more leads and sales. So go on over to that link now and I'll see you on the other side.